Oh fuck, he almost took me to the spinning.
That is a monster bonefish. Turn a little more so the other way, so the sun. Keep coming around. That's it. So the sun lights everything up like on a fish. Put the head of the fish back towards your shoulder. There we go. Keep going. A little more. There we go. Nice. That's a big fish.
Look at that fish. Look how wide that fucker is. Something got him right there, barracuda or something.
That is one big mirror swimming around on the bottom.
Yeah, put that right there.
Let me just get your... I gotta put something down here. Okay, here we go.
This is really stuff there. Look the fuck out of it. Fucking pink lips. Okay. Oh, fuck me. That is a bonefish.
A fish. That's a two-hander, baby.
I've only had one little bump and then I got a freaking puffer fish, but that's it. Yeah, I hooked him way up on shore. I saw the fish when he came out though. He didn't look as big though.
Yeah, there was a fish tailing in here a couple minutes ago. That's what I was going for.
There's all these fry, like there's a big bunch of fry right there, and
yep.
there's cudas busting in them.
I'm gonna get dizzy now. He's going to go back down and get some more shrimp.